everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I went to Walmart. It has been literally since I think March 14th or 13th is when the last time I did a Walmart Ibotta haul. I've been wanting to do one, but I just haven't had a lot of great deals, and there wasn't a lot of great deals here, but I just wanted to get out of the house and get some of that thrill back in my system. Plus, I just wanted to get some errands without the kids. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. It wasn't much. There's a couple things that I wanted to get, but they either didn't have it or I could not find it. And like I wanted to do the Kotex deal, but that coupon, I always have problems with Kotex at Walmart and CVS. And I'm actually thinking of writing to Kotex and be like, yo, how come every single time we use their coupon, it never works? So I kind of just want to write to them and be like, yo, because there's something you guys can maybe fix or have somebody fix it, because it's like everywhere. And I hate when they and some people will not, some stores will not let you use them because you have to type them in. So I'm trying to help you guys out. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. One thing is I really wanted to kind of I went kind of looking through the clearance stuff, and on an end cap they had a bunch of plates and cups and everything for 98 cents. They also had these trays, you guys, for 98 cents. These were originally I think like $5, but I thought I've been actually wanting a tray for something. I was either gonna maybe spray paint these or paint them or do something with them, but I thought for 98 cents I cannot go wrong. These are something I've been wanting. It's perfect for like when we have picnics with the family. I can just put everything, like when we eat on like the back deck, I can just bring everything, and it's just so convenient. Or if I want to just go away, I can just bring my snacks with me. So 98 cents for that. So let me share with you guys what I got. Let's drop my phone because that's what Jennifer does. So what I've been doing is with Ibotta lately, a lot of you guys are having problems, and I've noticed this over the past is Ibotta, you scan the item, sometimes the item does not show up. So then what you do is you scan the item and you know you got it, and then as you're about to hit enter, it all of a sudden changes your price. So what I have been doing is right before I hit enter, I screenshot everything, because you do scan it and it says it's verified, it works. So I've been doing that just to cover my butt, just to send to Ibotta, so in case anything happens or the price changes, I got something to share with them. So just giving you guys a heads up, if you're having problems like that, I've had problems like that multiple times. That's what I've been doing, and then after it gets approved, I'll just delete it, or if there's any problems, I got it. Just kind of covering my butt, because their customer service is ridiculous. Like, some of you guys are waiting a couple weeks for it, so I just want to try to get ahead. Also, you know, when you do message them, give them your email, or give them the picture of the receipt, as much information as possible, so they only have to contact you once. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I wanted to get some regular suntan lotion, sunscreen. It's just really crazy right now, and I have a lot of sprays, but I do want to get, you know, some actual sunscreen, especially with the kids. We're going to be going on boat rides with our friends a couple times, the splash pads, and we have now like a little baby pool. I wanted to get this. Now, this isn't like the greatest deal, but in my opinion, I think it's a pretty good deal. So we did have some $2 off coupons from our inserts a while back ago. We also have, so there were some printable coupons, and then there was also Hangtag coupons that were attached to these products. So this was $6.97. I didn't find anything cheaper than that, but $6.97. I used a $2 off Hangtag coupon that was attached to it. They had it all over the place. You guys would pay $4.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $2.97. So I mean, it's pretty decent. You know, in my opinion, I think it's a pretty decent size price, because I just have no sunscreen, so I just been, you know, stocking up on it. Gotta be safe. The husband already helped himself to this thing. This is the Hellmann's roasted garlic sauce. Now there's 4 different flavors that you guys can choose from. These were $3.47. We did have some coupons for $1 off. That coupon does expire this weekend, so if you guys do want to use this deal, make sure you can use it before the weekend is over. You would pay $2.47, but then you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta, making it $1.47. And since this is a Unilever brand, you guys can actually submit your receipt to fetch rewards and you'll get points. I haven't submitted my receipt yet, but you will get points for that item. I have been just getting wasted with peanut butter, you guys. Peanut butter. The last time I shopped at Walmart with my Ibotta haul, I bought some peanut butter. So last time they had some coupons for 35 cents. When I went to Walgreens one time, they had the 35-cent coupon. So if your store has the 35-cent coupons attached to these, make sure you guys use those because it actually comes out to be a better deal. But if you guys need some peanut butter, these are currently $2.17. I had a 55-cent off a 2 printable coupon that I used from the Skippy website. So you just went to Skippy and then there was a coupon on there. You guys would pay $3.79. But then you guys can submit a 55-cent rebate and a 55-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just $2.69 or $1.34. So we've been just getting wasted with peanut butter lately, which is totally fine. We've been just eating sandwiches. When I go to visit my mom, I'm bringing some peanut butter because we're going to have some Cheerio treats. So pretty excited. If you guys don't know what Cheerio treats, go look at my food videos and you'll see what it's about. I had my window open, there's like a bird flying, so stupid swallows. Biotene oral rinse. Now this was something I was thinking of getting, but I didn't have any coupons, but there was a $1.50 hang tag for this, so I ended up using that coupon. This was $3.84. I used the $1.50 off hang tag. You would pay $2.34, but then you can submit your receipt for $1.50 with Ibotta, making it just 84 cents. So if you guys need some of that mouthwash, definitely go ahead and do it. Forgot what I was saying. Old Spice. Now this is the deodorant. My coupon did have problems with it. I did get the correct item. I think because I went to self-checkout, they had to enter it in or something, so I had to have a CSM, you know, enter it in, which is totally fine. But so if you guys do get this, be prepared. That coupon will kind of beep at you. But this was $5.47. I used the buy one get one free coupon. You guys would pay $5.47 for this, but then you guys will get a $1.25 back and a $1.25 back with Ibotta, making it $2.97 or just $1.48. So it's an okay deal. I feel like at Walgreens we've been getting a whole lot better of a deal, but in case you guys need some, you can also submit your receipt to fetch or the P&G website. A lot of you guys are like, what's the P&G? So P&G just actually started the P&G Everyday Rewards. So every product you guys buy, you get 50 points up to 250 points. So if you guys are doing a lot, like I mentioned this both in my CVS video and my Walgreens video, if you guys are buying a lot of P&G products, try to like do separate transactions because you guys can submit 3 receipts a day, so you can get up to 250 points per receipt. That's 5 items. So just giving you guys a heads up, I'm saving up my points to get a Best Buy gift card. Now there's Dunkin' Donuts, there's Chipotle or Qdoba, I can't remember. There's Best Buy, there's Starbucks was on there and now it's gone. But I am saving up to get my son or my kids the Trolls movie, so I'm just like, why not use my points to get that? So I've been saving up to get Best Buy gift cards because I'm gonna go buy the Trolls movie for the kids. So I ended up getting those, plus you guys will get points. My cat's walking near my feet. And then I got this item. I was an idiot when I did buy it. So the Suave lotion. Now this was $3.53. There was a tag for 2 something, and then when I scanned it, it did say 3. And then when I scanned it on the Ibotta app, $2 off came on, and I'm like, oh sweet. Well, then after I looked, one was for Walmart only and one was for everything else. But you know what? That's fine. It's totally fine. So this was $3.53. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would pay $2.53, but you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.53. So I think like for a big thing of lotion, $1.53 is actually a pretty decent price. It's also a Unilever brand, so you guys can actually submit this to Fetch Rewards and you will get points. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that. Now they have some freebies. The Kellogg cereal is no longer available on my app. It might be still available on yours, but it was no longer available on mine. I was going to get the brown cow yogurt. My store does not sell it. I was trying to find the Butterfinger candy bars up at the registers, could not find it, and then after I was leaving I saw some just sitting there. Kotex, like I said, I just didn't want to bother having problems with that coupon. I was going to try to find a special mustard, the Melee mustard, which is a coupon that's right next to this, but my store didn't have any of that stuff. So that is my haul, you guys. It wasn't much, but it was a little bit. My total came to $21.57 for everything. I ended up getting $9.20 back with Ibotta. I always like to shop on Thursdays with Ibotta because they always have a weekend warrior that starts on Thursdays. So I just needed 12 rebates to hit the weekend warrior. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 items. So I ended up going to Pick and Save / Kroger right after this. So you guys want to check out that haul. But technically my total came to $12.37. I got 8 items at $1.54 a piece. Not the greatest haul, but you know what? I'll take it because, you know, we really like the peanut butter. I need the sunscreen, and you know, why not get some spray from my husband? So that is it. If you guys enjoy this, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I will try to bring you guys more Walmart Ibotta hauls. They are starting to lock everything down again in my area starting this Monday. Everything's going to be mandatory that everybody has to wear a mask. I'm okay with it. I'm not going to fight it. But I just don't like bringing my children into public, so I have to work around my husband's schedule to go to Walmart. So I will try to bring you guys more Walmart Ibotta hauls. So just give you guys a heads up, I am back. Might be not weekly. I want it to be weekly, but it just depends on what is going on in the world. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all later, and bye-bye.